Hi.
Okay, here I go. Wow, thanks for messing me up. You're messing me up right now. No one loves you. Okay, here I go. Buoyancy is what makes things float like birds. Have you heard that it also makes things sink like... Damn it. Okay. Buoyancy is what makes things float like birds. Have you heard that it's also what makes things sink? Just like the Titanic. Look at the dynamic. It's so profound. Think of a rock on the ground. First you could get in the water, then it drowns. When you're in the boat, you're in the water. Float. Cause that is buoyancy. I hope you like this rap, cause it's hurting my throat.
Lick your neck.
The property of something insubstantial and weightless. I hope, that's the definition of buoyancy. This rap is still nameless. Birds float.
No, they don't.
Cars don't. Paper does. Coins won't. That's actually part of my rap. But, that's really all you need to know. That's the end of our presentation thing show. What are you doing? No, you are scoring, dumbass weirdo bitch. That's your armpit on my mouth.
This is the Serenity show. And this is where... No, that's not what happens.
My camera's on your boob. Is that your boob?
God, get it off. I didn't say yes. Stop.
I didn't know what it was.
This is the Serenity show. And this is where we headlock Cory and give you educational information, because that's important. No one can take your education from you.
Like, my eyes can't breathe.
I don't care. Smell it!
You're putting it on. What did you dumbass?
Cory's smelling my armpit right now, and it's nice.
Not really.
Anyways, so here's something that you should learn. Intersectional feminism is the best, and everyone should be an intersectional feminist, because equality, and also it's realizing
women don't deserve to drive cars.
Free the fucking nipple.
Women don't deserve to drive cars.
Everyone deserves to drive a car.
If you can't fix a car and women can't fix cars, you don't deserve to be behind the wheel.
Hello, sir. I can kill you right now. Please stop. Because I have your life in my hands.
All women's license should be revoked.
Can kill him.
Women should be in the army.
I understand that I hate him because he's saying this bullshit. Don't you dare fucking kick my computer. I will end you.
I meant to go for your face.
That concludes our lesson today. Yep.